Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Are you looking for teaching job with attractive salary as per 7th pay commission? Then this video is for you. Indo-Tibet Border Police Public School has released new teacher vacancy notification, and in today's video we are going to see everything in detail. So now let's start. So teacher requirement first for PGT, physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, accounts and business studies, Hindi, political science, psychology, computer science, physical education and economics. Then for TGT, vacancy is for mathematics, science, Sanskrit, social science, physical education, English, art and craft, Hindi, computer science, special education teacher. And for PRT, all subject. So this is the ITBP, Indo-Tibet Border Police Public School in Dwarka, New Delhi. And this is the mail ID principal.itbpsschool@gmail.com. Now let's see the salary. So as per this notification, for PGT, basic pay will be 47,600 and net salary will be 1,51,100, which is as per 7th pay commission label 8. Then for TGT, salary will be basic salary of 44,900 and total salary will be 1,42,400 as per 7th pay commission label 7. Next for PRT, basic salary will be 35,400 and total salary will be 1,12,400 as per 7th pay commission label 6. And eligibility criteria is strictly as per recruitment rule of Delhi government for recruitment of teacher. And cutoff date for calculation of eligibility criteria shall be the last date of submission of recruitment form. Selection will be made based upon the written test, and written test will be on the subject. Like if you are applying for PGT physics, then question will be of subject based only on physics. And interview, so there are two, written test and interview. Written test will be of 135 marks and interview will be of 15 marks. Shortlisted candidate based on written test will be called for the interview, and last date for applying is 18th March 2026. Today is 1st March, so you have 17 days to apply. You can get the application form in the official website, which is www.itbppsdwarka.com. So this is the official website of Indo-Tibet Border Police Public School Dwarka, itbpps.com. Now here you need to go on top where it is written job. You need to click on job. So now let's click here. Once you click on that, here it's written application fees for that is 200 rupees. This you can do it either through check or demand draft or electronic payment, and these are the bank detail on to which you have to pay this 200 rupees. If you scroll down here, you will get the application form as well as advertisement. Advertisement I have already shown to you. Now let's see the application form. So this is the application form, ITBP Public School Dwarka, New Delhi. So first you need to write the post for which you are applying, at self-attested passport size photograph, then your name, but your name should be in block letter only, then father's name, date of birth. Date of birth also you need to write in word, not in numbers. Then your permanent address, your postal address for communication including your mobile number and your email ID. Then your marital status, name of spouse, occupation of father, residence address, office address. Then your qualification detail, all the qualifications starting from class 10th, you need to enter all the detail, and you need to bring all the original document at the time of interview. Then you need to enter all your experience, whichever school you have done, and at the end total experience and last salary you have drawn. Then professional qualification degree, you need to enter here. then your co-curricular activity or achievement if you have done, if you have any administrative experience like exam department, house master or activity coordinator, then if you have published any book or research paper and an article, then you need to enter two reference. Make sure that two reference should not be your relative, mostly it should be your previous principal or your coordinator. Next, if you have any other special qualification, you can enter here. Then you need to write one brief how you propose to give your best to the institute, how you can contribute to the school other than teaching your subject. Then declaration, your signature, date, and this checklist also you need to submit your birth certificate, secondary and higher secondary certificate with mark sheet, your graduation and post graduation certificate with mark sheet, your teaching degree which is B.Ed or D.Ed whatever you have, then certificate of experience of various school, character certificate from gazetted officer, list of other credential, and all testimonials should be self attested. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, hype it, subscribe for more job update, and share this with other aspiring teacher. Comment below if you are applying. I would love to know your plan.